Becoming a fighter pilot isn't something everyone gets to do, even if you have the dream burning inside you. From the first interview to your first solo, every step is a test. You can be cut at any point. But if you've ever imagined what it feels like to sit inside that cockpit, hand on the throttle, heartbeat syncing with the jet, then this video is for you. I'm not a pilot with thousands of hours in multiple aircraft. I'm an operational fighter pilot on the MiG-21, a dream that took me 8 years of continuous, unforgiving training to achieve. 8 years of sacrifice, rejection, and learning. It wasn't easy, but nothing worth doing ever is. I created this channel because I know exactly how it feels to dream about flying but not have a way in. And if that's you, if you've ever stared at the sky and thought, one day, then welcome. This channel is where that dream starts to take flight. We'll be using DCS World as our virtual training ground, and the MiG-21 is our aircraft. Why the MiG-21? Because it's raw, it's honest, and it demands respect. It has no fancy computers to save you. You fly it right, or you pay the price. But here's the secret. Master this aircraft, and you can fly almost anything. This training will follow the same structure I went through in real life. 8 clear phases to take you from rookie to confident virtual pilot. Phase 1, takeoff and landing. We start with the basics, how to take off and land safely, confidently, and smoothly. These are the skills that define a pilot. Get this right, and you've already separated yourself from 90% of casual flyers. Phase 2. We'll move across different airfields, different conditions, and learn how to handle every variation until it feels natural. This is where you stop flying the plane and start commanding it. Phase 3. Post-solo circuit mastery. Here we face emergencies, crosswinds, and alternate approaches. This phase will test you. And that's exactly what you want. Because confidence isn't built by avoiding mistakes, it's built by mastering them. Phase 4, instrument flying. We go deeper. You'll learn to trust your instruments and eventually to fly solely by them in any weather. When you can fly blind and still land perfectly, that's when you'll feel what real pilot discipline is. Phase 5, aerobatic flying. This is where flying becomes art. You'll learn to fly visually, checking instruments only with quick glances, every roll, loop, and turn with precision. You'll begin to feel the aircraft instead of just controlling it. Phase 6, navigation. We'll combine precision and strategy. From low-level pop-up attacks to high-level navigation missions, you'll understand how a fighter pilot thinks, plans, and executes. Phase 7, night and low-level flying. Flying low at night isn't just skill, it's courage. This phase is where adrenaline meets discipline. Every heartbeat matters. Every second counts. Phase 8, formation and combat training. Now we bring everything together. Close formations, battle formations, basic fighter maneuvers, then finally, air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. This is the moment where training meets combat realism. If you ever get stuck, I'll be there. I'll join multiplayer and guide you personally when I can. Because this isn't just about DCS. It's about changing how you think about flying. I want you to stop seeing DCS as a game and start seeing it as a training ground. Because when you sit in that cockpit with the right mindset, you're not just playing, you're flying. If you believe in that, share this channel with your community. Drop your suggestions below, and let's build a squadron of dreamers who fly with discipline and purpose. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, safe flight.